Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hello everyone. I am Adinda Sari. From this time, I will explain you about cost of capital. Okay, what is cost of capital? Nah, cost of capital is the required return necessary make a capital budgeting project, such as building new factory worthwhile. When analysis and investor discuss the cost of capital, they typically means the weighted average of a firm cost of debt and cost of equity blended together. Weighted average cost of capital. A cost of capital is typically calculated using the weighted average cost of capital formula that considers the cost of both debt and equity capital. Each category of the firm's capital is weighted proportionately and to arrive the blended rate, and the formula considers every type of debt and equity on the company's balance sheet, including common and preferred stock, bonds, and other forms of debit. Okay, the next is finding the cost of debt. Is merely the interest rate paid by the company on debt. However, since interest expense is tax deducible, the debt is calculated on an after-tax basis. Every company has to carry out its financing strategy in a late stage. The cost of capital becomes a critical factor in deciding which financing type to follow, debt, equity, or a combination of the two. And the next, finding the cost of equity. The cost of equity is more complicated since the rate of return demand by equity investor is not as clearly defined as it is by lenders. The cost of equity is approximated by the capital asset pricing model. And the next, the cost of capital and tax consideration. One element to consider in deciding to finance capital project via equity on debt is the possibility of any tax saving from taking on debt, since the interest expense can lower a firm's taxable income, and this is income tax liability. And the last is the difference between cost of capital and discount rate. Cost of capital is often calculated by a company's finance department and used by management to set a discount rate or hurdle rate that must be beaten to justify an investment. A company's management should challenge its entirely general cost of capital number, as it may be so conservative as to deter investment. Cost of capital may also differ based on the type of project or initiative. A highly innovative but risky initiative should carry higher cost of capital than a project to update essential equipment or software with proven performance. Okay, maybe that is can I to explain to you about cost of capital. If I'm sorry if my speak English very bad. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.